why don't you take a break? Let's go back to the origin of the world. No, let's go
Wow.
back to 2020.
Alright.
Oh, sa kung sa podcast lagi, I'm going to kayo daddy. Oh, you like podcasting? You like podcast? I like podcast. Let's make one together.
True.
Back then, nasa kung sa kuro, di na ko tanos producer at the time, and no sa si I think 2 years.
See, Pandy.
See. Of doing that for the first year, I think consistently, and then after that, ila kumisa man hakaf untiki, pero ito tanong stress. At eindelijk labi ready 3-2, so the work became even more. Inos pa sa find those feet ding a podcast world again. Ipakunos those as a team, as business partners. Kiko nos ta kepa OnBrand. Kiko nos ta kepa ibira. What is it right now? What needs to be improved? What could be better? Mitaya moeilijk being able to do that while still producing podcast
I literally
episodes
just had that thought.
every